And you're on.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, we are live right here at the conference hall of the Philippine Sports Commission building inside the compound of the historic Rizal Memorial Sports Complex. And this morning we have a very busy session of the Philippine Sports Writers Association Sports Forum. We will be discussing 3 sports and 2 of them international. And one of them, of course, is a very important aspect of basketball scene in the Philippines. I'm Randy Kaluwag of Manila Standard. Good morning, partner.
Good morning, partner Randy. Good morning, Philippine Sports Writers Association. We are here for another session. We are live via the Facebook page of our Philippine Sports Writers Association on a delayed basis over Radyo Pilipinas 2 sa ating pa ring sports radio. Judy Carinal po.
At sa ngalan po ng Pangulo ng Philippine Sports Writers Association, si Francis Ochoa ng Gilid Corner. Maraming salamat po sa aming sponsors, Philippine Olympic Committee, Philippine Sports Commission, San Miguel Corporation, Milo Philippines, at Arena Plus.
Okay, so first session natin for today will be having the national or ang ating isang big basketball tournament, the Pinoy Liga Cup, and we have the tournament director, suki natin dito, Benny Benitez, and of course, sino hindi makakakilala sa dating isang collegiate star, isa ring professional star na si Big Mac Andaya to talk about the Pinoy Liga Alumni Cup. Okay, so without further ado, good morning, Benny. Good morning, Big Mac. Welcome to the PSA Forum, Benny.
Good morning, Ma'am Judy, Sir Randy. Maraming salamat po sa pag-imbita once again sa amin dito sa PSA.
Yes, Big Mac. Welcome PSA. First time mo ba?
First time. Actually, the preparation ako. Hello po, good morning po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for having me here. Thank you to Sir Brenny for inviting me to come here and talk to you guys. It's an honor to be here. Thank you.
Sabi mo nga, Judith, big event. Big Mac. So narito tayo ngayon. Sir Benny, ano po ang aasahan natin dito sa parating ninyong Pinoy Liga season? 5, no? 6 na. 6.
Sir Rans, yung natin, yung Pinoy Liga Alumni Cup, the biggest and the premier alumni league in the Philippines. It will have its 6th season na po. So, mangyari is, yung games will start on November 29th, and then there's another game days, December 6th. But full blast tayo after the holidays. So, second Saturday ng January. Dire-diretso na tayo. And also, after the Alumni Cup, it will now be the 2026 calendar of the Pinoy Liga Cup, where kasi ang Alumni Cup, sir, is part of the Power 7 tournaments na pinapatakbo ng Pinoy Liga Cup every year. So yung Power 7 tournaments natin are the following: the Pinoy Liga Juniors Cup, the Pinoy Liga Next Man Cup. Ito yung mga nag-elevate sa mga aspirants, sa mga team B, yung sa mga transferees. Similar yan to sa meron tayo before, yung Father Martin's Cup. And then we have yung Pinoy Liga Collegiate Cup, which is every pre-season, nandiyan kami. Tapos, number 4 dun sa Power 7 tournaments namin is the Pinoy Liga, the Big Dance. Ito yung equivalent natin ng March Madness. Tapos, isa sa mga liga na gusto namin talaga i-develop for next year is yung Pinoy Liga Global Invitationals. Bakit? Kasi in-invite na namin, and we have confirmed already 3 universities from Japan for next year. And we're looking forward to getting more teams from Asia, because ang gusto namin with the Pinoy Liga Global Invitational is for it to be the destination tournament for colleges and universities papunta. Like similar dun sa Japan, we have the World University Games. So we're going to be developing that. And then, of course, yung Pinoy Liga Women's Cup, and then yung Pinoy Liga Juniors Cup. So gaya nung sinabi ko before, from the time that I started guesting sa PSA Forum, we will be developing leagues at every level of a Filipino baller.
Thank you very much, sir. At bigyan mo nga kami ng more background dito sa itong Pinoy Liga. Alumni Cup. Ano naman itong liga na to? Alam ko to, for everybody's consumption, of course.
Ang Alumni Cup, sir, yan talaga yung, kumbaga, yan yung pinaka, para bang fan, siya yung pinaka-dikit sa mga fans. Kasi ang Alumni Cup, ang objective niyan is ibalik natin yung mga dating mga stars of the UAAP and the NCAA na nag-pro, na nag-artista, na naging corporate individual na balik ka uli. Punta ka uli sa pinanggalingan mo, laro ka, kalabanin mo uli. Baka mamaya meron ka mga bagay na mga hindi nagawa before. Baka mamaya ito na yung pagkakataon, baka biglang mamaya yung 15th man dun sa championship lineup na yon, baka biglang mamaya ngayon sa Alumni Cup, siya yung bida. So binibigyan natin ng oportunidad itong mga stars of the past at yung stars pa rin na bigyan niyo uli ng kumbaga achievement at saka ng glory ang iyong alma.
Yes, yun. Ayan na po yung Pinoy Liga alumni, alumni ng mga schools. Now, punta na tayo kay Big Mac. As tournament